You might be wondering how much will it cost you to build a Tamiya RC kit. Now in this video, let's check out all the items that you need and their price. Here at Vertis North, Brickyard. Let's go! First, you have to choose what chassis do you want to buy. Well, we have the buggies and we have the touring cars or the GT cars. Now, we have this, the TTO2D. So TTO2D means, the D means drift. And then we have the TTO2, another batch of TTO2. And we have a TTO1. And what else? I think here we have the XVO1. And I think we also have the M1 chassis. For beginners, we recommend the TTO2 chassis. It's because it's very beginner friendly and there's a lot of parts available at the market. Now let's check out the price. Usually it costs around 7,000 to 10,000 pesos. Depends on what brand or manufacturer you're going to buy. Like for this one, we have 10,000, we have 8,000, we have 6.2, yeah. And what else? We have the Subaru 74, 79, 71, okay. And then let's check out more here. 7 plus 74, 75. We have a 9,000 for the drift cars. Drift cars cost around 9,900, 10,000, 11,000. And we have here the new chassis, the XVO1. We just released, I think it was the other day. So this cost 30,000. This is the Subaru Impreza. Very nice chassis. If you're into rally, I would recommend this chassis because the ground clearance for the XV is higher than the TTO2. This one's mine. I bought this one from, and I'm going to use this for the first leg of Brickyard RC this coming April 11. Next thing you have to buy is the paint. Now, when you buy a kit, the shell or the cover doesn't comes with a paint. Now you have to do it by yourself. Now the shell is made out of, I think it's a polycarbonate material or plastic. Now make sure that you buy the PS. Okay, there are two types of Tamiya spray paint, but here we have this, the TS. The TS is for plastic. So if you're into mini 4-wheel drive, we use this one. But for polycarbonate or the RC cover, we use PS. PS stands for polycarbonate. Now the reason why you need the polycarbonate paint is because if you use TS and then you use the cover a couple of runs, the paint will slowly chip off. Okay, so you have to use the PS. Okay, now you have to buy two. Okay. First one will be the base color. Like what color would you like to use on your cover? Then next, you have to back it up with another color. If you want to make it darker, use a black. Make it lighter color. Back it up with white. And the third one, if you like it in the middle or neutral, use the silver. Okay. Next, this is optional if you want to spend more, or I could say if you just want one chassis and then you want different shell or body that you don't want to spend or buy another kit. They are selling the covers. Okay, so we have the Supra. The price is around let's say 1.6 go to 2,200, something like that. Okay, it's 1.922. Okay, we have like this one. Sumo or GTR cost 2,000. There you go. Porsche, Rally, and then this one, I'm going to buy this one, Honda Civic VTI. Okay. Next, the upgrades. Now these are made out of aluminum materials. So from plastic parts, we need to change it to aluminum. So you can to make your car faster and what else, more durable. So because plastic tends to break after a few runs, so that's why we change it to aluminum. Okay, and what else? Next, the tires. If you're going to join the race, there are certain events or races that they require a certain type of tires. Like for this one, touring car, So if you're going to join a super stock race or a GT touring, you need to buy this set of tires, okay? And then also for the tires, usually it comes with, you will need this one. It's a combo. These are the inserts, okay? It's like a foam. So it comes with different, how do you call this one? Not texture, but soft, medium, and hard. And then you have to insert it inside the car, inside the tires, and then put on the rims. And we also have rims, okay? If you want your car to look more beautiful or awesome, we have different types of wheels here. They're white, silver, chrome, black. Okay, it comes with different sizes. And here, make sure you check this one. It comes with an offset, like +4, +2, meaning if you put the tires, if you put the rims, if it's +2, your rims will like 1, 2. It will be like offset. It's suitable for the Porsche, because usually Porsche, the rear tires of the Porsche, it's like wider than the normal or the standard setup. Okay, what else we have? And we also have different parts here, like gears. We have gears here. We have the shaft. Okay, we have some screws, nuts. So they're different parts that's available in the store here at Brickyard. Any Brickyard, Vertis North, Ayala Bay, Makati, Glorieta, they all have parts. And here also, so if you break a bit of some of your parts, we have here parts here, like let's get this one, like for this one, the TT02A parts. Okay, so if you open the package, if you open the kit, it comes with different packaging or plastics, and then there's like a set A, set B. So if you broke some of the parts, you can buy them, per set. There you go. There. And more parts here. Now you're done building your RC kit, but there are more items that you need to buy in order for you to make this work. Usually when you buy TT02 kit, it comes with the motor. This is a torque tune motor. Don't mind the aluminum heatsink. And the ESC. Okay, this is the ESC. ESC stands for electronic speed controller. Okay, this is responsible for the throttle of the car, the gas and the brakes. Okay. Next that you need to buy is this. This is what we call steering servo, or better known as just servo. Okay, this is responsible for the steering of the car. Next you need to buy, of course, the remote. Now this is the brand is Tamiya RC model X6. I bought this from Shopee for, I think it's around 2,000 pesos. Okay. The servo, I bought it from Shopee as well. Costs around 650 or 700 pesos. Okay. Now when you buy the remote, it comes with the receiver. This is the receiver, this one. Okay. So you have to connect your steering servo and the ESC to your receiver. Okay. Next you need to buy is the battery. Let me show you. Alright, now here's the battery. The brand is Fudimax, and this is a LiPo type of battery. 4,000 milliamperes. This one costs around 2,150. Okay. And next, of course, you need a charger for this one. I bought a Sky RC charger. It cost me around 2,500, also from Shopee. So that's it. Now the total price is and that's the amount that you need to shell out in order for you to build, pay, and use your RC car. If you want to try your RC on a carpet type racetrack, please visit the Brickyard at Manila Bay. So they have a very nice track there, very friendly staff. They have a lot of accessories and parts for your RC to choose from. They're open mall hours, Monday to Sunday. Opening hours are 10 or 11 a.m. until 8 p.m. Oh, by the way, if you're going to play at Brickyard Manila Bay, just make sure that all the parts in your RC are all Tamiya brand. And I am inviting you guys to join the first leg of the RC Yard that will happen on April 11 and 12. That's Saturday and Sunday. They have different categories like Super Stock, Junior, F1, 4-wheel drive GT, M Series, and Wheelie Rush. Still have time to register. I think the registration will close this Sunday. Just visit their Facebook page, Brickyard Makati, and select the link, and then choose what category you want to join. Send a screenshot of your payment. You can pay either GCash or bank transfer. Okay, and that's it for the video. I hope you learned something from it. Enjoy your first RC car, and if you want to join races, just check out their website and check out their leg races for the RC. And see you soon. Thank you.